a quick look into the structure of SAU-USD. On the feels good, we had an activated buy at 4,150. That was when I posted these charts. And on daily time frame, you will see we have a double top structure, and the neckline is here. This is the neckline on a double top structure. This is the neckline around 53, and market reserves the right to do whatever it wants. So if you scroll down on 4 hours, you see that on 4 hours, the market was right. We had a breaker structure here, and this is a retest, and price came back to retest that double top, and you have seen a tremendous drop. That was a tremendous drop, very, very tremendous. And from what I see at the moment, the market is in a very strong technical buy position due to the price action here, where a retest candle become resistance on breaker structure, and you see it RTRS1, RTRS2, breaker structure, price came back here, and that was what gave me the impetus to call here for a buy around 4,147, 4,150, and we have taken a tremendous advantage of that price action, a 200 pip buy on that position. It feels good to see we had a buy trigger at that level. And the next thing we are going to see, market also form another double top structure on 4 hours. So to put it into perspective, you want to see what happens when price range into that zone and a push into that zone. I'm holding that buy into 4,195. We expect a bearish continuation, which will take away that level and come down to retest here. This is technically what I see as long as price action is concerned and market structure. So it feels good, honestly, it feels good, feels extremely good. And if you look critically, you will see that everything that happened here, we were forewarned, and market didn't just react. You always give us a clue before ultimate reaction. At first, market first reacted here. That's the first area of reaction, which is this one. And then I came back on 4 hours close, and the final verdict was on 3 hours. You see on 3 hours on the line chart, you see a strong breaker structure. We have here as a resistance structure, break of a resistance structure, support structure, RT, RS, support become resistance and breaker structure. And we have a breaker structure, and price came back here to retest this double top structure, which we have already viewed on daily time frame and on 4 hours, and you have seen a tremendous drop. And we have another M structure here. So a push into 4,192. Expect some form of bearish reaction, and as the United States government plans to open up and so many other things, and the rate cut, a rate hike, so many things surrounding the market. But at the moment, I want you to know there is a very strong price action at this level, which is we have here as a support structure, resistance structure, resistance structure, resistance structure. Is a very strong psychological level, very strong psychological level, very strong psychological level. It's a psychological demand floor. Has a very strong psychological level, very strong. Yeah, so these are resistance structure, a broken demand floor, and once it's broken, it's now a demand floor. So it's very important. I just leave it at a psychological level, a psychological level. So it depends on how you view it. You view it from demand perspective, or you view it from a supply perspective. So in the future, a breakaway from this area will be a bearish continuation. If we break out from here, we'll retest and we'll sell. So that's technically what we see at the moment. So for now, bye.